आप जानते हैं वो कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट है जहां सिग्नल्स बनते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन रेवोल्यूशन होती है और हर स्टूडेंट का फ्यूचर सिक्योर होता है। वेलकम टू द इलेक्ट्रीफाइंग वर्ल्ड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग एट SISTec। SISTec का ECE डिपार्टमेंट एक ऐसा हब है जहां थ्योरी और प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज का परफेक्ट ब्लेंड मिलता है। वी आर नॉट जस्ट टीचिंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन, we are shaping the innovators and leaders of tomorrow's connected world. Step into the state-of-the-art facilities. With 14 plus specialized labs, our students get hands-on experience with latest technologies, making them industry ready from day one. Our skill-based training model is what sets us apart. यहाँ students को मिलती है industry-oriented training जो उन्हें actual challenges के लिए तैयार करती है. We bridge the gap between academia and the real world. The results speak for themselves. 100% of our students were placed with multiple offers in 2024 and 2025. और हमें यकीन है ये रिकॉर्ड आगे भी कायम रहेगा. Your brighter future starts here. All departmental activities, from technical workshops to expert talk, happen under the vibrant IETE Student Forum. It's a platform for students to learn, grow, and network beyond the classroom. Continuous learning is the key. Our faculties and students actively participate in NPTEL courses to enhance their skills and stay updated with the latest advancements in the field. Theory से reality तक का सफर होता है हमारे student projects में. Every student builds projects based on latest technologies, fostering innovation and problem-solving skill.
The Electronics and Communication Engineering Department at SISTec Bhopal is dedicated to nurturing well-rounded engineers who are not just graduates but also are industry-ready innovators. Our skill-based training program modules, state-of-the-art labs, departmental activities under the banner of Institute of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers, a vibrant pool of academicians ensure that all students achieve their 100% potential. Our 100% placement record is a testament of our students' hard work and our commitment. So join us and be a part of the department that shapes the future of semiconductor and communication technology.
Explore the world of high-frequency signals and antenna design in our microwave engineering and antenna wave propagation lab. Dive into the heart of computing with our microprocessor and its applications and microcontroller and embedded system labs. Learn to design and program embedded system. Witness innovation come to life in our dedicated project lab, a space for collaboration and turning ideas into tangible prototypes. Understand the backbone of communication in our network analysis lab and communication networks and transmission line labs. Analyze and design communication network. Master the fundamentals of electronics in our electronic devices and analog circuits lab. Build and analyze essential electronic circuits. Explore the logic behind digital systems in our digital system design and basics of electrical and electronics engineering lab. Design and implement digital circuits. Step into the world of light-speed communication in our optical fiber communications and electronic measurement and instrumentation lab. Learn about fiber optics and precise electronic measurement. Understand the principles of signal transmission in our analog communication and digital communication lab. Explore about various modulation and demodulation techniques. Now let's head over to our state-of-the-art computer lab. Students get hands-on experience with powerful tools like MATLAB, signal and system toolboxes, control system toolboxes, and IoT platform. But that's not all. At the Center of Excellence in Semiconductor Technology, we are taking it a step further. We are bridging the gap between education and industry, providing students with a platform to become industry ready. The world of electronics and communication is constantly evolving. And at SISTec ECE, we are at the forefront. Come, innovate with us, communicate the future, and engineer your success.